How to change Spotify username and update display name. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, in order to change your display name, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and you will see the option for View Profile. Tap on that, and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Edit option you see there. And now you will be able to make changes to your display name. So go ahead and make the required changes to your display name and then tap on the Save option on the top right of your screen. And with this, your display name will be changed. However, if you want to change your username, then in menu again, tap on the Settings and Privacy option you see there and then tap on the Account option. Here, as you can see, there is no option to change your username. However, you can only view your username. So, as of 2025 December, you cannot change your Spotify username and you can only change your display name. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.